On this episode, we're going to talk about one of the most interesting things about coffee, in my opinion. It's roasting. Right behind me, there's a roaster machine, and that's a San Franciscan roaster machine that it's a micro roaster. What does that mean? That means that you have a lot of control over the roasting process, and this is the point where you as the roaster can either enhance the flavor of the coffee beans, or you can completely ruin the flavor. So it's very important that you know what you're doing, that you have the right machine, that you know your coffee bean, because every varietal and every origin, plays different role in the roaster. This is the time where, as the roaster, it's like if you were brought this awesome piece of steak, if you will. You either enhance it or you ruin it. In coffee, we have different roast levels. We have light, medium, dark. You can, if you are not hitting your temperatures right, and if you're trying to aim for that light roast, if you don't adjust your temps accordingly, you can either have an underdeveloped light roast, or you can over roast it and not have a light roast at all. Now, if you're trying to get to the dark roast point, if you're not careful enough, you can over roast it and burn your beans. This is something to be really careful about, because it's the last stage. It's one of those last stages of coffee at the very end. And you have to be very respectful towards these beans, because there's a lot of people that have worked very hard to make these beans possible. So roasting, it's art, it's craft, and it's love. You have to have all these components and all these skills built around it to make this a beautiful thing.